Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess Official. Today I'm very glad to show you our TW105 wireless Windows speaker system. And in my other videos I have introduced this one. This is our new arrival, and today I will show you more details. As you can see, this is the power jacket. This is for the record. And in some applications or the business, it needs to record the between the customer and staff, so you can connect it with the record equipment. Very easy to use, and it is widely used. This is a good feature for this type. If you use it, you can check the record. And this one is for connected with the speaker like this. The jacket is this type. And this is for the mic. So this is also the good feature for this type. You can connect with our other models, TW103 model type. You can connect with the receiver and then use it using this one and open them. So the staff can wear the microphone and walk around in the working place. The working range for the system is about 13 meters. So it is very widely used in the gas station or the ticket center. Many people asked our items before. So the Windows speaker system and this wireless microphone is the best solution. If you want to know more details about the two systems, you can please email us at support@retekess.com. We will supply the best solutions for you.